Nutmeg Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform are in the description. Nutmeg is a UK-based robo-advisor designed for hands-off investors who want professional portfolio management with a focus on transparency and customization. It offers 4 investment styles: fully managed, smart alpha, powered by JP Morgan, socially responsible, and fixed allocation, allowing users to tailor their portfolios to their risk appetite and ethical preferences. Unlike some competitors, Nutmeg requires a £500 minimum investment, making it less accessible for absolute beginners. Fees range from 0.45% to 0.75% per year, plus fund costs of around 0.19%, which is higher than some robo-advisors but includes active portfolio management for certain plans. A key strength of Nutmeg is its goal-based investing approach, helping users plan for retirement, home purchases, or wealth accumulation. All portfolios are globally diversified, using low-cost ETFs across multiple asset classes like equities, bonds, and commodities. Nutmeg also provides tax-efficient investing through ISAs and pensions, making it a strong option for UK investors looking to maximize tax advantages. Nutmeg's platform is modern and easy to use, offering a seamless mobile and desktop experience. Portfolios are automatically rebalanced to maintain the target asset allocation. However, unlike some US robo-advisors, Nutmeg does not offer tax loss harvesting, which may be a drawback for high-net-worth individuals. One major criticism is the lack of fractional shares, meaning some cash may remain uninvested, reducing portfolio efficiency. Additionally, the higher fees compared to competitors like Wealthsimple or Money Farm can be a downside for cost-conscious investors. While the JP Morgan-powered Smart Alpha portfolios offer active management, they come at a premium fee without guaranteed outperformance. Overall, Nutmeg is best suited for UK investors looking for a reputable, goal-based robo-advisor with strong customization options. However, those seeking lower fees, tax loss harvesting, or more accessible minimum investments might find better alternatives. If this review helped, check out the links in the description for more details.